And then comes your L-shaped living and the dining area. And this kitchen, you can have a look at the interior. This is the beautiful and the cozy master bedroom of your house. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaitil, and today we are here at Acid Micropolis, which is located right here on Harluru Main Road. So this is the Harluru Main Road in Kudlu, South Bangalore. And this project is developed by Acid Group. And today we are here to check out their model flat. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance of our project, and our 80-acre of massive land parcel starts from here itself. About the marketing office, so they have built their marketing office inside the land parcel over there itself. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is spread across 80 acres of land parcel, which is divided in phases. So currently launched with phase 1 consisting of 5 towers and other towers for future development. All the towers are rising up to 28 floors, starting from 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK with 2 different variants and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like here's the basketball court, multi-purpose court, cricket pitch, amphitheater, landscape garden. Here's the massive clubhouse with swimming pool and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part of the project, and the project is located on Harluru Main Road in Kudlu, South Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Harluru Main Road, and this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Hosa Road, and the left hand side road will take you towards Kudlu Main Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Happy Big Bazaar is just 500 meters away from the project. Felicity Mall is 1.3 kilometers away. Electronic City Flyover is 1.7 kilometers from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1900 square feet super built up area, and here we start with the main entrance of the house. So once you enter, here they are providing with a massive foyer area for your privacy purpose. And then comes your L-shaped living and the dining area. So this is the part of the dining area, and over here let's focus upon the living area with a cozy interior work done by the builder for your reference. So here you can add up your sofa set, your couches exactly in front of your TV unit, and your living area has a connecting balcony as well. So let's move further towards your balcony. This balcony is much more spacious. You can have a look, almost a room size balcony that they are providing with anti-skid flooring, half wall structured, giving you 2-side open view as well. So you can easily add up your couches and have a sip of coffee here as well. Now let's move further towards your dining area. And wow, you can have a look that here's a huge dining table where you can set up your 8 to 10 seater of dining table as well. And just beside me over here, you can have a look, here's a niche area where you can set your cutleries as well. Now about your kitchen. So here's a kitchen with easy access to your dining table, and this kitchen you can have a look at the interior with parallel fitting platforms, the cabinets, and which has here the utility area as well. With anti-skid flooring, window for ventilation and lighting purpose, you can add up a platform as well, and there's a tile drop to avoid the water spillage, which divides your kitchen and the utility area. Now about your refrigerator space, so you can add up your refrigerator right over here. Now let's move further towards your bedroom. So basically they have provided 1 bedroom over this side and 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. So basically this shows that this is your guest bedroom, and you can have a look with wooden finishing flooring Basically, this is not just finishing, this is a proper wooden flooring. Here you can have a look at the interior with the work table as well, where you can add up your TV unit. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And now about your bed space. So in the center of the room, you can add up your bed and the wardrobe over here. So the huge wardrobe space. Now let's move further towards your rest of the two bedrooms. So you have to take this passage area, walking through your living and dining area, and over here, this is your bedroom number 2. So basically your kids' bedroom, which I can say, and once you enter again, the wooden flooring with a huge bed space over here, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's your study table, which you can add up for your kids. And now about the wardrobe space. So you can add up the storage space over here, the wardrobe space, or much more things that you need. Once you step out from this room, the common washroom is exactly in front of your kids' bedroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey brings the actual location tour for you all with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about one more thing, that they have provided a niche area right over here which you can utilize in a multi-purpose way. You can even add up your storage space. And this is the beautiful and the cozy master bedroom of your house. So you can have a look with the wooden flooring, the huge master bed right over here in front of your TV unit. They have even provided a huge window. And now about the washroom, but before that, my favorite part is the walk-in wardrobe. So you can even add up your dressing table right over here in front of your walk-in wardrobe. And your walk-in wardrobe, the huge and massive one. Attached washroom, the master washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here at Asset Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.